So today we will be replacing our current keyboard, the Rave 60, with the MCHOSE ACE 60, a new keyboard that we ended up getting for Christmas. Shout out to the people that got it for me. As always, if you guys do enjoy the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. So far, the presentation and unboxing is super well done. The keyboard is a solid full black, and the black is actually like a really nice black. Now we are going to do a sound test of the MCHOSE ACE 60. Now we will be connecting the keyboard, and if you guys have recommendations for coiled cables, please let me know in the comments down below. Now we will be searching through the website and showing you how to access the firmware. As you can see within the software, you're able to basically go through your lightings, change up your triggers. They also have a berserk mode, which basically adjusts it to 0.01 through 3.4 millimeters, and basically also has key mapping, excuse me, advanced keys, so you can get your SOCD, which is basically if you're holding A and you press D, the D will cancel out A and it won't, yeah, if y'all know, y'all know. Next, you have your performance. As you can see, I have mine set to 8K. I still need to look through everything else, but these are basically all the settings. This is where you would find your firmware and also overall like updates for the keyboard. And yeah. So overall, that was basically the software. I love this keyboard already due to the size. It helps with a lot. As I got the PC right here, the mouse pad here, and the monitor here, and then the arm right here. Um, Overall, really enjoying this keyboard so far. We will be getting some games soon using this keyboard, whether it be in Valorant or so. But so far, the typing feels phenomenal. There is no missed clicks. There is no anything like that with the settings I have provided. If you do want my settings, a code will be down below in the description, so you can just copy that if you do have this keyboard or any other MCHOSE keyboard. As always, this isn't a sponsored video. It was just something that I wanted to show off and unbox. As always, I'll catch you next time.